Tricky home. Mrs. Pemprey arrived at the narrator's surgery in a big car. She asked him if the dog was better. The narrator told her that the dog was fine. He would bring it to her. When Tricky saw its mistress, it ran into Mrs. Pemprey's lap. It began licking her face and barking. Tricky's cure, a triumph of surgery. The narrator helped the driver to bring out Tricky's various things. These were Tricky's belts, beds, toys, cushions, coats, and bowls. They had not been used. As the car moved away, Mrs. Pemprey leaned out of the window. Tears shone in her eyes. Her lips trembled. She told the narrator that it was a triumph of surgery. Dear students, see, in this chapter you will find out how the dog Tricky was ill because of Mrs. Pemprey's activity. Actually, Mrs. Pemprey, out of love, she was giving too much food items for Tricky. Actually, she was pampering. The Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary describes the word pamper. If you pamper someone, you make them feel comfortable by doing things for them or giving them expensive or luxurious things, sometimes in a way which has a bad effect on their character. And something happens. Mrs. Pemprey was giving too much care. Actually, she was pampering her dog, and because of that, she was giving over nutritious food items to the dog Tricky, and because of that over nutritious food items, the dog became obese. You can say became very fat, and its health was deteriorating day by day. Right now, see. I think parents like Mrs. Pemprey exist in our society also. And it is not a good thing to pamper children. See, parents like Mrs. Pemprey definitely exist in the society. These people spoil their children by making sure all their demands are met. They spoil their children in the name of love and care. They not only feed them junk but also spoil their social habits. This kind of a behavior is very harmful for children. Such overprotective parental behavior hinders their growth as adults. In fact, it shows the seeds of greed and dependency in them. They become stubborn and do not learn to value things. For them, hard work is a myth as they get everything easily. Over pampered children often fail to face the hardships of life later. As for them, life has been a cakewalk. Pampering children is in moderation is healthy, but excess of it is harmful. It is not just bad for humans, but also for animals, as we see in the story, A Triumph of Surgery. Of course, my dear friends, if you go through the lines of this text, you can easily understand this, my statement, my explanation that parents like Mrs. Pemprey exist. Though in this story, Mr. Harriot talks about a lady that pampers her dog. But in society, you will find out there are some parents who gives. There are some parents in the society who give too much love and affection toward their kids, and because of that, giving too much affection and love toward their kids, they destroy their kids. They lack value and other things, right? So this story teaches us a value that love is fine, but excess pampering, showing excess love, is not at all fine. Now, I request all the students to go through the lines of this text, find out the difficult words, meaning of these words. Let me tell you some of the words, like how to pronounce, like veterinary doctor, veterinary surgeon, right? Now, the word pamper, I already talked the meaning of pamper. Pamper means make somebody feel comfortable, right? And the next is, there are so many words like lumbago, lumbago. Lumbago is a pain in the lower part of your back. And there are some words at the back also. The words are written on page number 6. You can find out sausage, roomy, listless, lumbago, regime, distraught, surgery, scrimmage, convulsing, and these are the words that you need to understand the meaning. Find out the words in the dictionary and find out its meaning as well, right? Thank you.